Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Stellenbosch FC have appointed Gavin Hunt as their new head coach, following the departure of Steve Barker, who went to Tanzanian giants Simba SC. Barker, who's 58 years old, has been at the club since 2017 and announced his surprise resignation after joining Tanzanian giant Simba SC just before Christmas. News came as a shock to many, but Stellenbosch acted swiftly and have now appointed a four-time Premier Soccer League winner Gavin Hunt, who had left Durban City recently. Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi said, "We are delighted to welcome a coach of Gavin Hunt's caliber and experience to Stellenbosch and look forward to supporting him as we usher a new era at the club. We are proud of the quality of local and international candidates that applied for the position, and after conducting a thorough process, our board is confident that we have secured the right head coach for Stellenbosch FC." A winner by nature, Hunt is the longest-serving coach in the PSL and is one of the most decorated coaches in South Africa. And he has a proven track record that aligns with the club's ambition. His player-centric approach and intimate knowledge of Western Cape and South African football were also impressive to observe and make him a natural fit in terms of aligning with the club's identity and long-term vision. Further details regarding Hunt's appointment, coaching staff, and the date of his first scheduled press conference as Stellenbosch FC head coach will be communicated in due course. That's the statement by Stellenbosch CEO Rob Bernardi. And Gavin Hunt also said this regarding joining Stellenbosch. "I am honored to be joining Stellenbosch FC at this exciting time. This is a forward-thinking club with a clear vision. From my first conversation with the CEO and the staff, I could sense the ambition and the support structure that are in place. This is crucial for any coach who wants to succeed. Stellenbosch have built something special in recent years, and I am motivated to build on that foundation. There's plenty of work ahead of us, but I am energized by the challenge. The Winelands deserve success, and I am committed to giving everything I have to bring silverware and memorable moments to our supporters." That's what Gavin Hunt said regarding joining Stellenbosch. Remember, the 61-year-old tactician take the reins as one of the most decorated coaches in South African football history, boasting 4 Premier League titles, 2 Nedbank Cups, an MTN trophy and a Telkom Knockout trophy, as well as 6 PSL Coach of the Season. Gavin Hunt earlier this year became the first coach to take charge of 1,000 matches in the Premier Soccer League in a career spanning 30 years, which he has coached the likes of Black Leopards, Moroka Swallows, SuperSport United, Bidvest Vets, Kaizer Chiefs, Chippa United, and most recently, Durban City, among a lot of teams that he has coached before. So Gavin Hunt's first match will be on the 20th of January 2026 when Stellenbosch travel to New Peter Mokaba Stadium in Polokwane to take on Sekhukhune United in the Betway Premiership encounter. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this appointment by Stellenbosch FC to appoint Gavin Hunt? Do you think that this is a good appointment? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.